Good morning, y'all, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we are doing a visual diary, which means I will basically be showing y'all what I'm doing throughout my day, a little less talking and a little more showing y'all what I'm doing. Y'all will still hear me talk throughout the video in certain clips, but overall it's going to be more visual. So hope y'all enjoy it. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. So let's get into it. So today I'm basically just doing a reset, cleaning up around the house a little bit, just getting things back in order. But before we get into that, I want to show y'all my new bra that was sent to me by Magic Bra. And if you know me, then you know it's very rare for me to wear bras because I just feel like I can never find the right bra for me that fit me comfortably and give me a good lift. But y'all, once I tried on this bra, I was in love. It's super soft and comfy, and I just feel like it supports my back really well and it gives me a good posture. So let me try it on so y'all can see it for yourself. And y'all, look at this. I am flat chested in real life, but this bra gave me a little bit of hope. Look at that. It gave me the lift that I always wanted. I could never find a bra that did this. Like, I'm so happy. And this is their back soothing push-up bra in the color black, but they do have lots of other colors and styles to choose from. They have everything between maternity bras, strapless, they have boob tape, underwear, so anything bra related, anything that you're looking for, they probably have it. So make sure you check them out. I will put the link in the description box below. The link will be on the screen as well. And you can also use my coupon code Jalisa20 for 20% off your order. So make sure you go shop. Yeah, I got on flip-flops with socks. Ghetto. So y'all, I was thinking the mail already came, but she came as soon as I got to the mailbox. So I just sat there until she put all the mail in. Y'all, I'm watching Trapped in the Closet by R. Kelly. I've been watching it since last night, and I just been playing it all morning. I know some of y'all probably like, R. Kelly. But I'm about to post this video, the video that y'all see before this one, before I get started doing everything. So the video that y'all see before this is the video that I'm about to post, which is my pack with me, get ready with me for a sleepover video. So if you haven't watched that video, make sure you go check it out. So I'm about to go ahead and upload that, and then I'm gonna get started with my little reset. So that's what we about to do. So I'm starting off by unpacking my spend the night bag that I had packed. And if you watch this video, you'll know what I'm talking about. So I'm just getting that bag unpacked and putting everything back in place, putting it where it goes. Because if I don't do it now, the bag would just be sitting in my room full of stuff. So I got to go ahead and get it organized. All right, so now that I'm done in my room, I went into the kitchen and started folding up some laundry that I had sitting on the table for like 2 or 3 days. So I just went ahead and got that done. I had laundry in the oven, not the oven. I had laundry in the dryer. I had laundry folded up on top of the dryer, and I just had laundry sitting on the table. But y'all, I did clean up the house before me and the kids left for the weekend, so it wasn't really much to do around the house. I just had to clean my room and do the laundry basically. So that was really all I had to do. So yeah, I made sure I cleaned up before we left, so when I come home I can just relax. I ain't really have nothing to do. So yeah, it was just the laundry that got me. So I usually roll up the kids' underwear and socks, but I didn't want to do that today. I didn't feel like it, so I just threw everything in the bin. I put the girl stuff in one bin, and then I put Cairo's stuff in one bin. Because y'all, one thing they gonna do is pull all the stuff out anyway, so I was like, I'm not about to do it. I'm gonna just throw it in there. So that's what I did. But y'all, I did not realize how much laundry it was. Y'all seen the clothes that I had on the table, so those was a lot of clothes. I had clothes in the dryer, and then I had clothes already folded up on top of the dryer. So it was a lot, y'all. But even though it was a lot of clothes, I still feel like it didn't take me that long. I got it done pretty fast, so it wasn't too bad. I'm pretty much done cleaning up everything, trying to get everything back in order. I had cleaned up before I left home for the weekend. So before me and the kids left the house, I had already cleaned up. So it wasn't really much for me to do. I just had to get the clothes in order. So that was really all I had to do. Fold up all the clothes and stuff like that. And that was pretty much it. So the house was pretty much already clean. It was just the clothes that I had to get. So yeah. I just had a phone conference with Carmen's teacher, and she was basically telling me Carmen was doing good. She's above what she's supposed to be. So that's really good. Like, as a mom, that make me so proud. Like, wow. Just hearing the teacher say that she's above what she's supposed to be, like, that's crazy. Like, that's crazy. Like, my daughter is so smart. I don't think she's like above in everything, but it's like certain things she says she's above what she's supposed to be. So proud mom moment. I think I'm about to order some pizza because I'm hungry. I need something to eat. So I probably order some pizza. That's what I'm gonna do. And the kids can eat that when they get off the bus. So yeah. So they'll be home in about 2 hours. And that's pretty much. And that's pretty much it for now. Let's order this pizza. So it is the next day, y'all, and I am currently in Dollar Tree. Not Dollar Tree, I'm in Family Dollar, and I'm just doing a little bit of shopping for the house. So I will give y'all a haul when I get back home. My baby daddy bought me some food, y'all. And y'all, this food right here is so freaking good. This spot that we be going to is so good. They have some of the best chicken. So good. Clock it, clock it. And y'all, when it comes to shopping for the house, for me, I will shop almost anywhere. Dollar General, Dollar Tree, Walmart, don't matter. If they got what I need, I'm gonna get it. So I don't just limit myself to just shopping at one spot, because you never know what you can find at different stores. And I am a baddie on a budget, so if I can find something for a good price, I'm gonna do just that. All right, y'all, so this is what I got from Family Dollar. So I got these little containers. I'm gonna put the cereal in, and it come in 3 different sizes. So it got a big one, a medium size, and a small one. Got these. I got some plastic cups, paper plates, because I'm cooking tonight and I don't feel like washing dishes. So got these. Got some air freshener. I got some command strips, so I can hang up my little thing that I got. So I'm gonna put this on my wall in my room. So I just got, is this what this is? I got this white tiger to put on my wall. Huh? Okay. Toothbrush, the electric toothbrush, shampoo, kids toothpaste. I got these little scrubby things to clean my oven. I got some hair mousse for my hair. Got some hair growth oil. I got this little, I don't know what you call it. What is it? This little organizer. I'm gonna put the kids' crayons, markers, pencils, all of that. So I'm gonna put all that stuff in here. So if I need a pen, I can just grab a pen. So all that's gonna go in here. Hair grease, crayons, hand soap for the bathroom. Got some spoons, laundry detergent. Then I got these fake flowers to put in my vase. So we're gonna put these in here. Yeah, it's gonna be like this, like little centerpiece. Bam. And I got some tissue. So when I got home from the store, I checked my mail, and this was in the mail, which I already know what it is. It's just some Halloween pajamas that I had ordered for myself. So I ordered this little romper. So it's like a little Halloween romper. Got the little pumpkins on it, spiders, and a little bat. So I thought it was super cute, so I had to get it. And I love a good romper, like with the shorts and the long sleeve. Like, I love it. Like, it's so comfy. So I got this off SHEIN. I'll link it down below if anybody is interested. And that's pretty much going to wrap up this video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the little visual diaries. So make sure y'all comment down below. And that's pretty much it. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, do all of that. So thank y'all for watching, and we will see y'all in the next video. Peace.